There was a lady who practiced obeah and did all kinds of things to people on Albert Street in Belize. She perished in a house fire. She had a granddaughter who she had never met. Everyone in the family always told the granddaughter that she looked exactly like her granny who perished. One day, when the granddaughter was about 12 years old, she saw something on the other side of a canal. She thought it was just a random person until the Duppy turned and was crossing the canal to come at her. What made it even more terrifying is that the Duppy looked exactly like her deceased granny, the same one they say she looks exactly like. The little girl ran home with all her might, never looking back. When she got home, she described every feature of that woman to her mother. Her mother was shocked to hear how much the little girl knew, since the granny passed on before she was even a thought. The little girl then found out that the house fire was started by one of the granny's other daughters who was caught by one of the spells she worked on people. The little girl was also told that even though the granny crossed the canal, she could never enter the house as it had many Jesus pictures and the family were now Christians.
Like and follow for more.